right, this is Sean of Math Swap Tutoring with another SAT type math problem. Make sure you pause this, take a read, and see if you can solve it before we get into it. All right, let's take a look. It says a cable company charges homeowners a one-time setup fee of $150 plus D dollars per month. If a homeowner pays $810 for the first 6 months plus the setup fee, what is the value of D? So we need to read this problem and set up an equation based on what it says. All right, so it says um, they charge $150 plus D dollars per month. The homeowner pays this. And so what is the value of D? So we know they pay this total for 6 months. So that means they've covered the $150 and we want to see what D is as well. So that's going to be, so $810 is going to be equal to 150 plus D dollars per month times 6 months, or 6D. Okay. And so then we want to solve for D. Pretty straightforward. Subtract 150. And so then 810 minus 150, I'm not going to use a calculator, so it's going to be 7, 6. So that's going to be 11. So it's going to be 660 equals 6D. Divide both sides by 6. And so then D is equal to 110. All right. So that D looks kind of weird. So in other words, they paid $110 per month. That's their per month charge. Let me know if you got this. Comment in the comment space and make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.